Hi, welcome back to Family and Fit, where we talk fitness and how to integrate it in your busy lifestyle. I know it's been a while. Last Friday, I did not post a poverty meal prep because I was currently out of town at a business meeting, conference. So I'm just gonna say I forgot when I left to do one, and then out of town, like we didn't cook or anything. Like we just went to fast food. Well, we went to get food, but we watched our calories on this. So, this is poverty meal prep. This is a different one that I have not did on this channel yet, so you guys should be surprised. Okay, jumping into it, I'm going to tell you what the ingredients is. We got steak. We got the cube steak, and there is 4 steaks per package per serving, which is 4 ounces. You got 170 grams. You got 170 calories. So, for 4 ounces, you got 170 calories. Baked potatoes, make those. Steamed baby Brussels sprouts. For 1 cup serving is 37 calories. But I will put the macros on the screen for you so you guys can see the countdown of the calories, the protein, the carbs, the everything, okay? I'll put them on the screen for you guys. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in it. It says 0 calories on the container, but if you spray more than 1/4 of a spray that it calls for, you're putting like 5 calories on it, which it's saying 0, because you have to have that exact spray count. Fucking up your macros.
I've been thinking about the way you look, the way you talk, the way you turn. I've been thinking about the way you move, the way you love, the way you burn.
I'm gonna use some roasted garlic and herb on this because it just sounds good and sounds really good to use, so that's what I'm using.
I can't put myself away, even though I know you do me wrong.
I'm about to do this the poverty way to make baked potatoes. Some people put them in the oven, but I'm gonna put them in the microwave. So you come over here, you grab a potato, you put in some paper towel, and then you wet the paper towel, and then put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, flip it over, poke some holes in it, put it in there for another 3 minutes.
I can't put myself away, even though I know you do me.
Okay, I am done with that, so I'm gonna take them over here to the microwave, and I'm gonna put them in the microwave for 3 minutes, flip them over for 3 minutes, then there we go. You got your baked potato. Oh, and you only do 3 minutes for 1 potato. Flip it over, do another 3 minutes. So a total of 6 minutes for 1 potato. You got the 2 finished steaks right here, 4 ounces each. With the garlic and herb on them. So like this looks really good, man. So I got my baby Brussels sprouts. Dump them in. And dump it in. Another bag. You're gonna have your greens. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in it, the sweetener. Is 0 calories. And then I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of butter, which is 100 calories, into this, to give it some flavor and texture. So I'm only gonna put like that much in it. 1 tablespoon of this butter. Gonna throw it in. Then voila, that's done. That's simple.
Alright guys, so Ashley's mad at me because I'm stealing my food because I got something to go do and I'm hungry. I just got off work. I gotta eat something real quick, dude. What did you say these were? How many calories per each? 170 calories? So about 300 calories here roughly. Maybe 350, however you want to count it. But yeah, about to crush this thing real quick, and maybe I'll see you in a bit. Maybe I won't. Actually, I'll just finish this vlog without me. Catch y'all on the next one, I guess. Alright guys, so I got a little pro tip here for you guys. I went and threw a little bit of butter on here, a little bit of cheese on here, and I'm going to throw on one extra thing to rebalance out these macros, because it's pretty much nothing but carbs and fats right now. So instead of adding more fats by adding some sour cream to it like a lot of people generally do on their potato, I added some cottage cheese, because cottage cheese is generally pretty high in protein. And this is a low fat edition, so it's going to be even higher in protein than some of the other versions. So yeah. Like I said, you just got to balance those macros out really well so that way you get fuller. A lot of times your body really wants balanced macros, and that's what causes you to get, like, cravings. That's what causes you to get cravings and whatnot. So, yeah, just make sure you're eating balanced meals. It's one of the biggest tips that I can give somebody, because you don't want to start craving other types of foods and not be able to eat them, and then you mess up on your diet, because then you end up starting binge eating because you waited too long and made yourself suffer for too long a period of time.
Hey guys, what is up? The meal is done. The poverty meal prep's done. Brussels sprouts. You got your baked potato, and then you got your steak right on there. The 2 potatoes. The 2 containers of the steamed Brussels sprouts. The grass-fed butter. The 1 tablespoon of that. The steaks, which was 16 ounces for the whole container. That is 1,296 calories. And then the carbs is 84 grams, 28%. The fats is 47 grams with 35%. The protein is 110 grams, so great on the protein, which is 37%. That's for the whole entire meal. Now, for just that plate that I showed you, is 486 calories for dinner. Like, that's a dinner poverty meal prep, man. You can't beat that. That is 1 potato, 7.8 fluid ounces of the Brussels sprouts, and then the 2 steaks, which is 8 ounces. The carbs on that is 29.9 grams of carbs, 25%. The fats is 18 grams, 34% on the fat. And then the protein is 48.9 grams with 47%. So, I don't think that you can beat that poverty meal prep. I will list the macros on the screen for the servings for the whole meal, the 1,296. I will list that, and then I will list the portion one on there as well. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and smash that thumbs up button for me, please, because that will help my channel, and I love you guys. And make sure you subscribe to be part of our family, and grab that merch down below. Not sure if it's on there yet, but it should be. We just came out with it, so it's popping. It's really popping right now. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next poverty meal prep.
I wanna be